Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Mulgrave on the Richmond branch of the Western Line. Departing on platform number 2 we have Waratah set A18 for a Richmond service. This train will stop at Windsor, then followed by Clarendon, East Richmond and Richmond. Waratah set is A18. I'm just going to give you guys a nice quick pan of Mulgrave station. This view here is heading towards Riverston, Blacktown and Central. You got the Hawkesbury Valley Way over here, looking up this way, and that's looking towards Windsor and Richmond with a view of the Blue Mountains in the background on a very overcast day. The level crossing has been activated, which means we have a Waratah pulling in on platform number 1 for a Hornsby via Macquarie University service. Should be stopping at Vineyard, then all stations to Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Wedfern, all stations to Hornsby via Macquarie University. The set number is A25. Anyway guys, time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.